Hi, I'm Marcus and I'm from Best Buddies, and these are the Florida Bulls.
Hi, my name is Bo Anderson. I'm in soccer and Senate, and we have a track, a soccer field, a softball field, a baseball field, and then tennis courts.
Hi, I'm Haley. I'm with volleyball and this is the gym.
Hi, I'm Abby. I'm in band here in Eldorado, and this is our Eldorado library. And this is also where we have our Eagle Care Room, where students can take a second and reset their minds and get back to learning.
Hi guys, I'm Julie. I'm from cheer and softball, and this is the Academy building, and this is where the freshmen have most of their classes.
Hi, my name is Josh and I'm in DECA, and this is the CT building where it has all the elective classes, and there's also the Eagle's Nest where students get their lunches.
Hello, I'm Evan. I'm part of Speech and Debate, and this is the Math and Science building.
Hi, I'm Alana. I'm in track and field and yearbook, and this is fine arts.
Hi, I'm Claire. I'm in GSA, and this is the Humanities building. In this building, there's history, English, and a few electives.
Hi, my name is Ryan. I just joined Thespians. This is the PAC. This is where choir, band, and orchestra and drama all have their classes. It's also where all the performances are.
Good evening and welcome to the Eldorado High School Virtual Open House. We are very excited to have all our students back on campus, as there is no true substitute for in-person learning. Students being able to interact with their teachers and peers on a daily basis is vital to academic success and social and emotional well-being. We are committed to following all COVID-safe practices to ensure in-person learning does not get disrupted. We ask that you please keep your students home if they are experiencing COVID-like symptoms and encourage you to get them tested. We have an incredible group of teachers who are dedicated to providing your students the quality education that they deserve. Our faculty and staff understand the struggles our students may have coming off a year and a half of remote learning, and will work with our students to address their academic needs. We have an amazing group of counselors who are available to address the social and emotional needs of our students as well. Students have been isolated in a remote setting for so long, and it is important that students feel a sense of belonging on our campus. We encourage students to join an extracurricular activity and be actively involved in the school community. We will do our best to provide our students with a true high school experience and all the fun activities that go along with it. Our students need this. As you follow your students' schedule this evening, you will get a better understanding of what they are doing in each class, what the expectations are, and what supports are available to help them be successful. Please do not hesitate to email your students' teachers with any questions that you may have. Have an enjoyable evening, and we are so happy to have our students back on campus. Go Eagles!